Building better habits isn't just about willpower. It's about setting up your life in a way that makes sticking to positive changes feel easier and more natural. If you've ever struggled with sticking to your goals, you're not alone. But the good news is, with the right strategies, building lasting habits is totally possible. In today's video, we'll break down how to build better habits step by step. Tip 1. Start small. The key to building better habits is focusing on making small changes first. Big goals can feel overwhelming, and when we aim too high too fast, we often burn out. Instead, try starting with something manageable. For example, instead of committing to drinking 8 glasses of water a day right away, start with 1 extra glass. Once that becomes routine, add another. Tip 2. Be consistent. You've probably heard the phrase, it takes 21 days to form a habit, but it's actually more about consistency than a specific number of days. You need to show up, even on days when you don't feel like it. Even if it's just for 5 minutes a day, the consistency will build over time. Remember, habits are formed by repetition, not by intensity. Tip 3. Make it enjoyable. If you want to stick with a habit, it needs to be something you enjoy. Find ways to make the process fun, and your motivation will skyrocket. Try adding an element that you enjoy to the habit itself, like listening to your favorite podcast while you exercise or cooking a new recipe that excites you. When the habit feels rewarding, it becomes easier to stick to. Tip 4. Use triggers. Habits are often triggered by something in your environment or daily routine. You can use this to your advantage. Create simple cues to remind yourself to follow through. Place your workout gear by the door, or set a reminder on your phone to drink water every hour. These triggers will help your new habits stick. Tip 5. Be patient and kind to yourself. No one's perfect. You might slip up or miss a day, but that doesn't mean your progress is ruined. Building habits is a journey, not a destination. The key is to keep going. If you miss a day, don't get discouraged. Just pick back up where you left off. So, to recap, start small, stay consistent, make it enjoyable, use triggers, and be patient with yourself. With time, these small changes will snowball into lasting habits that transform your life. Remember, the power to build better habits is in your hands. All it takes is a little effort every day. Let me know in the comments what habit you're working on, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips on living your best life. Start your journey today. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more content.